Vlog, ma'am. These remarkable individuals are preparing themselves to become educators who see beyond challenges, recognize every learner's unique strengths, and believe that every child deserves the opportunity to learn, grow, and shine. Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome Master of Arts in Education, Major in Special Education students.
Hello, test 5. 1, 2, 3. A 1, a 2, a 1, 2, 3, go! N, E, D, S, P, E, D. Who we are? We are the Mappled Set. We are the light. We are the way. For every month we teach and play. We Ate kami. Go. Ma-expect. 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 Dinaan sa sayaw. Ma-expect. Ma-expect. Alam na ko naman sila kaunan.
Also, we would like to acknowledge the presence of program coordinators and advisors of MaInspect.
Nakulangan niyo po ba for
We
sure?
would also like to inform the Masters in Business Administration